Designers around the world are trying to build radical new aircraft. At this once secret airbase outside Moscow, Russian engineers created what looked more like a flying saucer than a plane. Called Taryelka, it was conceived during the height of the Cold War. This early secret footage shows the first scale model tests. Their methods were low-tech, but the results were remarkable. It looked impossible, but the Taryelka flew.
Russian designers have a tremendous amount of imagination and great capability. They have been working under a difficult condition in recent years because they don't have much money, and therefore it's hard to get things accomplished. But some of the most advanced aeronautical and space system designs have been done in Russia.
The initial tests were so successful that construction quickly began on a full-size Taryelka. Looking like a craft from another planet, it could carry up to a dozen passengers and become the new executive jet of the future. The engines are housed inside the main body. The small wings provide no lift at all. They help stabilize and steer the machine. But shortage of money from the Russian government has already caused work to stop on the Taryelka. A waterborne version was also tested. It was designed to travel just above the surface of the water, using a cushion of air to provide lift for very little thrust. This is called ground effect, something Russian designers had used in their most unusual aircraft. This is the Ekranoplan. Larger than a jumbo jet, it holds the world record for the greatest lift for any aircraft, an amazing 1,000 tons. This astonishing machine is powered by 8 huge jet engines, travels at 300 miles per hour, only a few feet above the ocean, and could carry 1,000 Soviet Marines. Since the Cold War, the project has been crippled by financial problems. Today, the original monster sits in dry dock.